Good evening everyone. My name is Aniket. Today we are going to discuss about is e-commerce killing traditional business. First at all, I will tell you about what is meant by e-commerce. E-commerce is a online business platform in which we can buy or sell the product through internet like Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, etc.
My name is Deepak Derde. I am telling some advantages of e-commerce. First advantage is e-commerce is cost effective as compared to traditional businesses. Second is we get lots of variety as compared to traditional businesses. Third, we get lots of products in same platform. Fourth is e-commerce providing employment. As you can see, many youngsters are doing work of delivery boys. That's it. Thank you.
My name is Tejas Netaji Karde. I will tell disadvantages of e-commerce. First disadvantages of e-commerce: we cannot bargaining in online shopping. Second, we cannot check our product. Third, we can delivery boy change our product. Fourth, online shopping affects to local business. Thank you.
Now I am telling what is traditional business. Traditional business refers to shop where we can buy or sell product by visiting physically and with face-to-face customer interaction. That is traditional business.
Now I am going to tell some disadvantages of traditional business. First disadvantage is traditional business needs more investment in infrastructure like shops, machines, and it requires more employments. Second, traditional business are open for limited times.
My name is Sumit Shilukar. I will tell the advantages of traditional businesses. First, we can check the quality of the product, then we can buy the product. But in e-commerce, we cannot check the quality of the product. Then second, we can get credit for few days. But in e-commerce, we cannot get the credit for few days. Then third, we can bargain for price of the product. But in e-commerce, we cannot bargain for price. And that's all. Thank you.
Here we conclude that e-commerce business growing day by day, but it directly affect on local business. When we are in difficulty, our neighbor or shopkeepers are help to us, not e-commerce. So I think that we must support traditional businesses. Thanks. That's all.